Hey, great people. Thank you guys for tuning once again. Today, I'm so happy, guys, and I welcome you back to our channel today. Today, we are looking at Indio, and the song is Rezando solo, crying alone in English. And this is very nice, guys. So, if today is your first time here, I do say thank you, and please press the subscription button and also the notification bell so that next time you will get these great videos, guys. And I say let's get straight away and see what they have for us. Thank you.
Solo Dios se aburre igual, pero así creo me escucha mejor. Parece que en el cielo no se portan bien, se ensucian con su más feo resplandor. Y allí esa fiel serpiente, la que jamás te miente, la que se fue enroscando al puñal, silba bajito. Custodia las mentiras que colgó de aquel manzano en el Edén más cruel con su piel. No tengo ganas ya de rezar por mí, son las cosechas finales de un segador. Que ya no mira el cielo con aire desganado, si soplan anillos de humo al rezar desde su barro. Si rezo solo, Dios se aburre igual, pero así creo me escucha mejor.
Oh, this is very beautiful. Indio performing Rezando solo, crying alone. Wow, this is great, very beautiful. I love that. And you listen to most of Indio songs, and they are so natural. They come out very natural, and the lyrics are well arranged. You can follow slowly by slowly. This is great talent, guys, and I say thank you for tuning once again. And if today is your first time, I do welcome you. And guys, feel happy. This is the opportunity to be happy. There is no any other opportunity, guys. So see you again next time. Bye bye.